show you how to put the crimps in your 8-inch ductwork. This is the proper tool to do so, and you just work this around it. Just keep going around it. It's a little more refined than the other one. I'll use a few of the pliers. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, we're again here. There you go. That's the proper way to do it with your special tool. You probably order these online. Or you might have them at your home center, I'm not sure. Alright. Just flip it on here, try your elbow on it. This fits a little tighter than the other way I've shown you. Okay, there you go. Nice fit all the way around. Also, don't forget those pliers. If you don't have this tool, I demonstrated that already. So there you have it. A little bit about rod ductwork. I always like to use the rod for your main supplies, unless it's in a bathroom or a real small room. But I always like running 8-inch. All the bigger rooms. So there you have a little bit about 8-inch ductwork. Thanks for watching.